Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our December Boxycharm. This is my first subscription and I'm very excited actually. Kind of like getting presents every month. So hopefully you'll stick around and see what we got inside. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe down below, hit the notifications button, like and comment so that we know exactly how you feel about our videos so that we can improve, grow, and hopefully make better videos in the future. Okay, so we're going to open. And the first thing you get is a little card. And, oh, I see. It tells me what I got. I think it says that this is number 3 box, but I'm not 100% sure how to tell. So anyway, so there's that. And that's how it looks inside. So why don't we start going through everything. I'll swatch things so that we can see how they look. And hopefully, actually it looks pretty good. I'm kind of excited. Better than that Sephora Advent calendar I did. At least there's makeup in this one. Okay, so we'll start with the first thing on top. And it says Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. Ooh! In that Sephora thing, I got lash glue, so that's going to come in handy. There you go. Okay, it's pretty packaging. Ready, get set, get addicted. So I guess these are going to make me beautiful, make me addictive, make all the boys go crazy. Yeah, not in this lifetime. Anyway, so these are really pretty, actually. So this is number 1. Lashaholic. Now let's look at the second thing in the box. Okay, we got Luxy brushes. It's also sparkly. These are premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. Let's open this up. Okay, let's get these out. Woo! Here they are. We've got 4. They're actually kind of nice. They're kind of heavy. They're pretty. They'll be beautiful in my collection. So there you go. Luxy brushes. Okay, now for the third thing in the package. Ooh, I've been wanting these actually. Cool. These are Cover FX glitter drops. And let's see. In the color Nova. Let's get this open. Ooh, I'm not sure if this translates on the screen, but these are really pretty and sparkly. Very nice. Very nice. So you get 15 mils or 0.5 fluid ounces. And there are these. Now, for I guess the last thing in the package, which, oh no, there's 2 more. We have the Ace Beauté Grandiose Palette. There's that. It's pretty, it's gold. Everything's gold. Very lovely. Okay, let's see, does this, yeah. There it is. Feels nice. There we go. Ace Beauté. Oh, these are pretty. And we'll be doing swatches as well so that you guys can see the colors a little better. And look at that, we even got brushes to do it. So I'll do finger and brushes for this. Very lovely. There you go. Got a palette. And now for the last thing in our box. Oh, that sounded kind of dirty, didn't it? Okay, we have, what is this? You know, I can't see a darn thing, right? Jaune de Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. There we go. Can't see. So let's get this puppy open. Okay. Oh, I hate these plastic covers. They're impossible. Okay, there we go. We're doing good. Of course, they never come off one big fell swoop, do they? Gotta pick at them. Pick, pick, pick. Ugh. This sucks. Ugh. Okay. Dang. Actually, you know, these are quite nice. I'm really glad I subscribed. I wasn't, you know, 100% sure about the monthly subscription thing, but I thought you guys might like to see what you can get and, you know, find out every month if it's worth your money to purchase these. So basically, I'll purchase them for you so you don't have to waste your money. Or I'll purchase them and then you can see how great they are and then you can purchase them as well. And I just should say that this is not sponsored. We're new to the internet. We're not sponsored by anybody. So you're going to get an honest opinion on every single thing that we do. So here you go. And there's that. Ooh, it's got little sparkles in it. Very nice. Now it's time to do some swatches, everyone. So we'll start with the Jaune de Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. Nice. Okay. Ooh, it crumbled. Oh, I actually do not know. Let me see. If you can see that. If you can see the sparkles, but it really is sparkly and pretty. And I can definitely not see myself wearing this. But it definitely will be cute for Madison or for Felicia, my 26-year-old daughter. Would definitely like this. Very, very pretty. So, thumbs up on this one. Very cute. Let's look at the palette. The Big Daddy. Okay, so why don't we start with this color right here. It's called Jasmine. And I'll do a finger swatch and then I will do, let's get this here. 1, 2, 3. I'm terrible at this. There's that. It's quite pretty. Swatched nice. Now let's see how it swatches with a brush. And we're going to use one of our new brushes. 1, 2, 3. You probably can't even see that, but it's there. It definitely would be a nice highlighting, you know, inner corner type shade. There we go. Good enough for the second one. Okay, the next color is Clove. It's right here. 2, 3. Yeah, that didn't swatch so good. But it is a pretty peachy color. And so now let's try it with the brush. 3. Ironically, the brush came out just as good as the finger swatch. How strange is that? Ooh, there's some kickback on that. Whew. Good enough. The next one is Myrtle. Let's finger swatch this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's beautiful. Copper. That is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beautiful one. So let's go 1, 2, 3. It's a little light, but still quite pretty. Actually very pretty. The next color, clean finger, is cinnamon. 1, 2, 3. That one's a little crumbly. So now let's try it with the brush. Clean brush. 2, 3. Okay, this one's got a lot of kickback. Like, look at how crumbly it is. Okay. There's that one. Cinnamon. Now we'll switch sides for the bottom row. And we have, ooh, patchouli? Patchouli. Must be patchouli, right? You know what? Let's clean our fingers because we're not going to get any good swatches if our fingers are dirty. Okay, clean fingers. Okay, fingers are clean. Time for the bottom row. Patchouli. 1, 2, 3. Right here we'll do it. Actually, you know what? We'll do the other side. I'm kind of dumb like that. Okay. There's that one. It's a little crumbly. Okay, now let's do it with a brush. Wrong brush. I'm left-handed. This is not easy. Okay. Patchouli is very, very crumbly. Whew. We got some. Next is rose. Clean finger. Okay. This color is beautiful. I really like it. It's shimmery. That's a really pretty color, actually. Really like that one. And let's use a brush. Okay. Ooh, this one. Yeah. Ooh. Gotta build that one up a little bit. Okay. There's that one. Now we have poppy. Clean finger. Poppy. It's like a burgundy color. It's quite lovely. And let's brush this one. Ooh, I'm terrible at swatching, just so you know. Goes on okay. It's a little patchy, but not too bad. And last but not least is primrose, which is a golden color. Very pretty. Let's go right here. Oh, I like that one a lot. Kind of like the coppery one, very beautiful. Very sparkly, very good for the new year. And once again, patchy. But these are shimmers. They're really not supposed to be, you know, whatever. So there are the swatches for the palette, for the Ace Beauty palette, or Beauté, however which way you want to say it. And now, last but not least, because this is the thing that I'm most looking forward to, are the Cover FX glitter drops. Now, at my age, we generally don't do this. This is definitely going to be something for my girls. But let's see how pretty we can be. Okay. Ooh, I guess you suck that baby up. There we go. I don't know what I'm doing. Never used anything like this in my life. It's like medicine. Okay, and now let's rub it in. Oh, I think I used a lot. Ooh, I think I used a lot. Let's see in the mirror. Oh my goodness. Oh, not good. Not good. I'm going to be sparkly. I think I can put it all over my face. Let's just rub that sucker in. Oh, we're going Tin Man. Copper Man. Okay, we're going to put this straight out there right now. This is terrible. I'm just going with it, you know. Let's just cover our whole face. Let's be really pretty. Oh, what do you think? Pretty? Good? Okay. Don't do this. 1 or 2 little drops is definitely going to be enough. You can definitely tell I've never, ever used anything like that in my life. Oh my goodness, that was fun. So, cute. So overall, my impressions of this box are positive. I liked everything. Everything was pretty, sparkly. The Cover FX drops, oh, those suckers work. And now I'm going to be sparkly for like, I'm probably going to have sparkles on my face and my hands and my body for days. Good thing it's Christmas time. I have a good excuse. So, in conclusion, thumbs up for the Boxycharm December box. I liked it a lot. I'm sparkly and cute. What do you think? Cute? Do I glow? Do I glow like a Christmas tree ornament? So if you liked this video, and if you'd like to see more Boxycharm, subscribe down below. Hit the notifications button. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram and Twitter, and I don't even know. My kids set that up. And hopefully we see you back again next time. I'll be less sparkly, but just as happy. Hopefully I get something good next time. Till next time. Bye, A-Fam.